I know I'm not the only one that was sleeping on these products. And you know, since I'm not one to gatekeep, I'm gonna go ahead and share these with you, okay? So let's get ready for my morning shower routine using Mary Kay products. Yeah, that Mary Kay. Let's get into it. Let me start off by saying this is not a sponsored video, but I was gifted these by a friend's mom. She knows that I do shower videos and she wanted me to try out these Mary Kay product, and it is the satin body products. This is her information. Listen, I'm not hyping it up because she's my friend. They're good. They're good. One thing you need to know about me, and two things for sure: I am not a morning person, so don't talk to me before my coffee. So let's get my shower going. I started off by using the exfoliating scrub. When I tell you, my skin felt like a baby's bottom. My skin felt like a baby's bottom after using this. And it smells so good. It is the white tea and citrus satin body scrub. Y'all know I love Dove because I love the mango scent, but this white tea and citrus, it reminds me of Bath and Body citrus candles and white tea and sage candle. I always forget to put on my shower cap because I don't got no hair in my head, so I be forgetting. I have a running to-do list in my head that's playing right now, and I didn't realize it until I'm watching this video. Like, you could literally see me thinking, let's get in between the crevices. We've been sweating all night, you know, let's wash our body good. I know I need to shave. Y'all gonna tell me. I know that's for the next video. I remember I used to buy fancy expensive loofahs like $15 to $20, but these little $2 and $3 ones get the job done even better because they are so rough. Mixed with an exfoliator, they scrub all that dead skin off your body. I'm just scrubbing that winter fluff away. Scrub, honey, scrub. Scrub them, heel, your toes, your legs. The whole purpose of exfoliating scrub is for you to scrub the dead skin away. And I haven't exfoliated in like a week and a half, so this was well needed. How rude of me. Hey guys, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Vanessa. I put out videos twice a week related to all things lifestyle and self-care. Girl, get up, wake up. Now let's move on to the white tea and citrus satin body shea wash. You see that? It is silk. It is literally silk in a bottle. Did I mention I was tired? But this citrus, this woke me up. And of course I had to be extra and put it all over my body, but you know, don't do me. No cap, it's honestly silk in a bottle and it gets so sooty. If I had a bathtub, I would definitely just soak in this scent all day because it feels like silk and it smells heavenly. It definitely woke me up. In my head, I was in somebody's commercial. Don't judge me, okay? Did I mention I was tired? Child, I be forgetting I have these tattoos until I'm watching the video. I'm like, oh, I have that back there. Forgot all about that star. I know you're probably wondering why the heck am I moving so slow? But I was so rough with the exfoliator and scrubbing all that dead skin away that when it comes to my moisturizing process, I literally take the time to apply and make sure that I get every crevice and moisturize my skin correctly. It's 8 a.m. in the morning. I don't have to be at work until 9:15, so I'm taking my time to myself, enjoying my self-care moments. Just the little moments, you know, just alone time, you by yourself in the shower. That's the best. You know, I always feel like somebody's watching me and I got no privacy, however the song goes. But look how steady it gets, and that was just that little pump that you guys see me put on my loofah at the beginning. Now, this is how you know you're clean. Not a dirt, a speck on top of that sud. Your girl is clean. Your girl was in there. After I'm finished with my body, I go in with my Dove Sensitive Bar Soap and I wash my sensitive areas. Mary Kay also offers facial products, face wash, and face lotion, but this is my regular CeraVe. Moisturize, moisturize. Don't forget to moisturize. Moisture underneath your eyes. Moisturize, moisturize. Don't steal my song. I have sensitive skin, so I really don't change up my face routine. I keep it simple. I use the CeraVe wash and the CeraVe daily moisturizing lotion. I keep brushing this hair thinking it's gonna keep growing, but I need a haircut. I know. The star of the show, baby. When I tell you that mousse, oh my gosh. Like, I would love to just roll around in this mousse. I didn't have anything to open, so I did it to get away. Don't hurt yourself. You know, I'm extra. It smells so good. It's as if you're literally walking through a citrus field, drinking oranges, mimosa in your hands, while laying in a field of orange. That's the only way I could describe it. And it is thick. Like, I'm a thickum, but this is thick. This is thicker than I am. Like, it is not falling out. I was in love. It is definitely a mousse. I thought CeraVe was thick, but this is thick. So apparently I don't know how to squeeze lotion out of a tube because Lord help me, it is too early in the morning. The lotion itself felt like silk. Like, the shower gel felt and smelled like silk, but the lotion, it was so soft. So I did one side lotion and I did the other side the mousse. And as you can see, the lotion side, we are shining, we're glistening. If you're in heaven, you could see my shoulder from outer space. Look at that shine. Left a good job down in the city. Lotion, mousse. The lotion and mousse, they both give you a nice shine, but you can see the shine more on the lotion side. If I have to pick, I would definitely pick the mousse because I've never tried a mousse before, and that had my skin feeling nice all day. Don't look at my legs. I know I need to shave. The lotion was good. The lotion felt silky soft, but I definitely love the mousse. I was literally obsessed with how thick and creamy it is, but yet it felt lightweight. I don't know what happened with my camera right here, but we just gonna work through it, okay? Light, but the shine. %100% recommend, and it is their satin body white tea and citrus satin body collection. And I use the body scrub, the body wash, the mousse, and the lotion. I'll also have her information listed in the description box below. And I'm not just hyping her up because it's my friend's mom. I actually enjoy the mousse and the body wash. Like, that body wash was everything. That mousse though, baby, this right here is my mousse. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, my name is Vanessa. I put out videos twice a week related to all things lifestyle and self-care, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.